Hey guys, I'm Joel. In this video, you guys are going to be watching me bring this coupe back to life that I originally purchased last year, February 2020. And I took everything that was in my convertible and transplanted it into this car now. It's a coupe, it's a lot safer, a lot more fun, not as much wind noise, it's just no leaks, which is so annoying in the convertible because mine was kind of junky. So I just made 500 horsepower last week and I want to show you guys what I have. So it's an M52 B28 block with M54 B30 crank pistons and rods that I redid the rings, bearings all by myself on. It has an M50 head with S52 exhaust cam and M54 B30 intake cam with an M50 intake manifold. A few videos back, I explained everything that is into this cost wise for the turbo project. It has an eBay GT 3582 turbo, cost me $130, and it made 500 horsepower, it made 530, and it's loving it so far. So this setup has been great so far for like 5-6 months. Been driving it a lot, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
No. This can't be fucking real.
.433. Holy shit, it did it so easily. All my hard work is finally fucking paid off. Let's go. Let's go. So we got my dad here, and I want to get his reaction of the two steps. So here, hold the camera. Are you see? All right. Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be loud.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. What happened? It shot a flame.
Eso explotó para allá.
Did it shoot a flame?
Te van a botar de aquí.
What do you think?
Te van a botar de aquí.
Shit.
Eso no es normal.
I know, a car should not be doing that. A car 100% should never
So why
do
do
that
that?
noise. It's a launch control. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot more driving with this car in the springtime. Make sure you follow me on Instagram too at E30Joel. Stay up to date with everything I'm doing.